Voila, we're back, right? Control T. We're still on. Well, FF, fast fetch, neo fetch. We're still where we are supposed to be, in the sense that this is still very much EndeavourOS, but it's the ArcoLinux i3. So whatever you want to do, right, it's going to be looking the code, the key bindings. It's going to be our i3, and everything that you need to learn. People often ask, what do I need to learn? These are all coloring things, so themes, the colors. So this is not important. This is the line up here, the line down there. I mean, that's okay, that's color, but config. And if you'd like, at some point in time, the config polybar, but the config is the heart of the system, and you start reading it, right? Start reading it, testing it. So mod F11 super, F11 is this one, super F12 is that one. I just pressed 2 buttons, and all the rest you explore them. So there's a lot of things to have a look at. Close all, done and done. Super Q, super shift Q. There are key bindings that are super important, which is, let's go over the key bindings, which are, right, super enter, super Q, super shift enter, okay, super shift Q, all right, super X, super shift X, okay, menu, super D, choose your application, launch it. Don't like that, super shift D, right, escape. You need, in this case, right, you need to know the name, fire, and then you get this. I believe Kaka Fire is no longer installed, is it? Yes, it's still installed. All right, so that's that. Yeah, that's it, right? Those are the most important ones to be able to launch, and then of course the browser maybe, Control Alt F, F from Firefox. If it's installed, it launches. Control Alt V is Vivaldi. If installed, it launches. And that's how it works. Just key bindings, no menus, except maybe the super D, which gives you again a challenge, a choice of what is possible to launch, because there will be things in here not from us, right? The refractor simple is here. If we type EndeavourOS, we see the things that are from EndeavourOS. If we type ArcoLinux in here, we type this, we get this, Arch, which is the better log screen, the Linux kernel manager, ArcoLinux tweak tool, file roller, and SophieRem is another one. SophieRem, software installer and remover. Software, the I from installer, the R from remover, rem, right? SophieRem, that's how we came up with the name. And there's one thing I'd like to do, and that's the following. If we, this is of course the ATT, providing you with the default desktops from ArcoLinux, but I'm sure, and I have never looked at it, but I'm sure there must be some i3 package in here somewhere as well, right? So from EndeavourOS, there has to be something there. Or not. I'm not sure. Well, I'll look at it. If it's available, we could make a video, and otherwise, this is the last video. Testing the ATT, which is also not only for EndeavourOS there, that is there for ArcoLinux, ArchLinux, ALCI, Kali, Arizer, EndeavourOS, Garuda, Manjaro, Axel, RebornOS, ArchCraft, CassioOS, Archman, Big Linux, Artix, Sparch Linux, StormOS, Maybox, Archbing, Crystal Linux, Lea, and Bluestar, right? It's all ArcoLinux. I'm trying to get rid of this box view vision that it's just the one, the ISO or distro that is great and all the rest is rubbish, right? It's still all Arch, and you can make or break any Linux distribution, but right, take a look around and learn from all of them and treat Linux as a whole, right? As a system that you don't have to pay for, that's secure, that's fast, stable, and learn how to make it stable sometimes, because yeah, there are challenges like the NVIDIA drivers, but for some this is no challenge at all, right? Because it just works on their hardware. So it depends on the hardware you buy. So next purchase, you'd first look around and ask, is it stable? Is it working on your hardware? Ask around. There are also websites to check that. All right, enjoy.